Hello, and welcome to the Pitt-Titusville Open House Financial Aid Information. Once you apply to Pitt-Titusville and are admitted, you will automatically be reviewed for our at-entry merit scholarship. Complete your FAFSA for federal student aid as soon as possible. Apply for outside scholarships. Award notifications will be sent after you are admitted and we have received your FAFSA. If any information is missing, we will send you a missing information letter. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help you. Pay your enrollment deposit to secure your spot if you plan to attend, and reduce stress by finalizing your financial aid and covering your balance before classes begin. If you are a newly admitted first-year student planning to enroll full-time, you may be eligible for the Pitt-Titusville Nursing Grant. Familiarize yourself with our generous at-entry award at the site shown here. UPT nursing grants for in-state students are $6,000 and out-of-state students are $10,000. Note that grant opportunities for part-time and transfer nursing students are also available. Nursing grants are renewable for 1 year only. To be eligible for this renewal, students must remain enrolled full-time and maintain a minimum of a 2.0 cumulative GPA at the end of the spring term. The nursing grant is considered a form of financial aid. All students who submit a complete admissions application, including all supporting documents, will be automatically considered for the UPT nursing grant by the Office of Admissions. Complete your FAFSA at studentaid.gov. Our school code is 008815 and will be under the University of Pittsburgh. The FAFSA will be available as of October 1st and uses the prior year's federal income data. Keep in mind the filing deadlines. Pitt-Titusville priority filing date is March 1st, and the PA State Grant for in-state students is May 1st. Other states, be sure to check your state deadline at the site shown here. Outside scholarship opportunities. Check with your high school and local community foundations for scholarship opportunities. Yours or your parents' place of employment may also offer tuition assistance. Once you're admitted to Pitt-Titusville, you will have access to Pitt Funds Me, which is a free scholarship search engine. Once you're admitted and have submitted your FAFSA, you will receive a financial aid award notification. Award notifications will begin going out in January and include your estimated cost of attendance, the types and amounts of financial aid you are eligible to receive, including federal, state, and institutional aid, as well as grants, scholarships, work-study opportunities, and loans. Note that UPT matches the federal Pell Grant, which doubles your award for eligible students. The notification will also outline your next steps for accepting aid and finalizing your financial plan. Students are emailed directly if the financial aid office needs additional information to process their financial aid. These items must be resolved before aid can be applied to the student account, and, in some cases, before an award notification letter can be issued. Common reasons for missing information include verification requirements, missing signatures, or eligibility issues. Be sure to check your Pitt email regularly and respond promptly to avoid delays in receiving your financial aid. Next steps. Review and understand the financial aid letter provided to you. If selected, complete the verification process as soon as possible. Pay your deposit to admissions to secure your spot. Accept your federal direct student loans in your Pitt portal if you plan to use them. Complete the required master promissory note and entrance counseling at studentaid.gov. Determine whether you have a remaining balance after all aid is applied. If you do, please take action before the fall term begins by choosing one of the following options: applying for a federal Parent Plus loan or private alternative loan, enrolling in a payment plan, or using any other available resources. Taking care of these steps early allows you to focus on your studies without financial distractions. To recap this information, complete your FAFSA after October 1st, but before May 1st. You must complete the FAFSA each year you attend to receive federal, state, and some institutional aid. Apply for outside scholarships through your high school, place of employment, community, or online searches. Pay your deposit to admissions. Remember that award letters begin going out in January. Complete the verification process if necessary. Accept, decline, or reduce your direct federal student loans as needed. Pay any remaining balance. And as always, ask questions. We are here to help you. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the University of Pittsburgh at Titusville.